Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Welcome back to the channel How To series. If you're a creator like me, you've probably spent hours staring at your YouTube analytics, wondering what all those numbers actually mean. It can feel like trying to read a secret code, right? But what if I told you that cracking that code is the single fastest way to grow your channel? Today, we're going to do just that. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to decode your analytics to get more views, more subscribers, and build a thriving community. Forget the guesswork. It's time to let data be your guide. First up, let's talk about the big three: click-through rate, average view duration, and audience retention. Think of these as the holy trinity of YouTube success. Your click-through rate, or CTR, tells you how many people who see your thumbnail actually click to watch. A low CTR, say under 5%, might mean your titles aren't catchy enough or your thumbnails aren't grabbing attention. Try A, B. Testing different thumbnail styles. Maybe use brighter colors, add a surprised face, or make your text bigger and bolder. A small tweak can make a huge difference. Next is average view duration, or AVD. This is how long, on average, people are watching your videos. YouTube's goal is to keep people on the platform, so if your videos consistently have a high AV, the algorithm will see your content as valuable and push it to more people. This is where your content quality really shines through. Are your intros too long? Are there boring parts you could cut out? This leads us directly to the audience retention graph. This graph is your best friend. It shows you, second by second, where viewers are dropping off. Look for big dips. Did you start a long, rambling story there? Did the energy drop? Those dips are golden feedback, telling you exactly what to fix in your next video. If you see a spike, that's a hook point. It means you did something really engaging. Analyze that moment and do more of it. Now let's move on to the audience tab. This is where you get to know who is actually watching you. It shows you their age, gender, and even what countries they're from. This is crucial. If you find out that 80% of your audience is male between 80 and 24, you can tailor your content, your jokes, and your references directly to them. It also tells you asterisk. When asterisk your viewers are online, see that purple chart with the dark and light bars? The darkest bars show the peak times your audience is on YouTube. Schedule your videos to go live an hour or two before that peak time. This gives your video a burst of initial views from your most loyal fans, which signals to the algorithm that this is a video worth promoting. Don't just upload whenever you feel like it. Upload when your audience is waiting for you. Okay, let's talk traffic sources. This tells you asterisk, how asterisk people are finding your videos. Is it through YouTube search, suggested videos, browse, features, or external sites? This is incredibly important for your growth strategy. If you're getting a lot of traffic from YouTube search, it means your keyword strategy is working. Double down on that. Use tools to find what people are searching for and create content that answers their questions. If most of your views come from suggested videos, that's amazing. It means YouTube is putting your video next to other popular videos. Click into that report to see which specific videos are sending you traffic. Then, make more videos on similar topics or in a similar style. You're essentially piggybacking on their success. If you're not getting much traffic from browse features, it means you need to work on making your content more appealing to a broader audience, which goes back to improving your CTR and watch time. Finally, let's look at individual video performance. Don't just focus on the overall channel analytics. Dive deep into your top performing videos. What do they have in common? Is it the topic? The editing style? The format? Your top videos are a roadmap telling you exactly what your audience wants to see more of. On the flip side, look at your worst performing videos. Don't get discouraged. See them as learning opportunities. Why did they fail? Was the topic not interesting? Was the thumbnail misleading? Be a detective and figure it out. By replicating your successes and avoiding your past mistakes, your channel's growth will become inevitable. It stops being about luck and starts being about a smart, data-driven strategy. So, instead of being intimidated by your analytics, start seeing them as your personal channel consultant. They provide free, invaluable feedback 24/7. Check them regularly, understand what the numbers are telling you, and take action. That's the secret sauce to sustainable growth on YouTube. I hope this breakdown was super helpful for you. If you got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips to level up your YouTube game, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.